Nobel Prize in Chemistry for scientists discovering DNA modification. Popular posts from this blog. Dark mode can be used in smartphones. Ahmedabad, the 26th of September 2020, Saturday. Nowadays, application makers along with smartphones have also started using dark mode. Dark mode is available on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Not only that, in Android 10, Google has also been given the system white mode option. Dark mode looks good, but did you know that it can be very dangerous for your delicate eyes? Increased dark mode craze. The dark mode feature is very much in trade for different smartphone apps at the moment. When the dark mode is turned on, the display of the smartphone turns dark or black. This allows you to use the phone without getting tired for a long time, but dark mode where it is good for the day can also be harmful at night. Vision will be weak if you use dark mode on your smartphone for a long time. Later your eyes will adapt to it and it will be nice to read white text. Boo! The effect falls on your eyes. After switching between light to dark text, your ear. A new type of degree in a short-term loan based on the app Ahmedabad. Monday the 28th of September 2020. A number of fintech startups have started in India in the last few years. This type of startup is known as fintech as it combines finance and technology. Fintech startups have many types of business, one of which is to offer short-term loans based on the app. Loans can be obtained from a bank or other financial institution in India, but usually require a variety of documents. Lending apps are becoming more and more popular as there is no such clutter. But now it is coming out that a new kind of title is emerging for those who take advantage of such apps. The government had declared a moratorium during the lockdown, but after its completion, the lending app has started collecting dues and technology is helping them when installing such a lending. But because of such permissions, the lending app is also getting the numbers of our close. NASA will send a 170 crore rupees toilet into space, experimenting on the Moon and Mars. Washington, The 27th of September 2020, Sunday. NASA will send 23 million, approximately 170 crore rupees worth of toilets to the International Space Station, where these toilets will be used, and from its experiences the possibility of its use on the Moon and Mars will be tested. The toilet, along with other luggage, will be sent to the toilet on September 29 from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. Toilets being sent into space have been dubbed the Universal Waste Management System, which is small and convenient. Compared to the toilets currently on the International Space Station, these toilets are 65% smaller and 40% lighter. This toilet is also used in the Oriental spacecraft, which will take the astronauts back to Chandra for 10 days. The new toilet will also have a system for refining feces and urine. Urine will be refined to make water, so that astronauts can drink it if needed. When the feces will be thrown away, we refine urine, sweat and other liquids. YouTube has launched a new service in India called Short to replace TikTok. Ahmedabad, the 28th of September 2020, Monday. A number of companies and apps are trying their best to replace TikTok after its departure from India. Now in this contest, YouTube, which has been most affected by TikTok, has also jumped on the bandwagon. YouTube has launched a beta version of a new service within India called Short in India. This feature allows the user to upload vertical videos of 15 seconds or less in length. In this feature, video creator will get features like multi-segment camera, speed control, timer and countdown. It will also have the facility to add music videos from YouTube's song library. This feature is like a sitting copy of TikTok, like Instagram Reels. Based on India's experience, this feature will be launched in other countries as well. For more details, kindly go to ift.tt/3BJF3 drugs case opened WhatsApp privacy poll. Your chat may also be leaked. New Delhi date. The 9th of September 2020, Tuesday. WhatsApp chats of several Bollywood celebrities have come to light during the Narcotics Control Bureau's (NCB) inquiry into the mystery of actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death. People across the country have come to know about Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti and now well-known actress Deepika Padukone's message asking for drugs on WhatsApp. The private messages coming in front are openly flouting WhatsApp's claims that no one can read any of its users' messages, not even WhatsApp itself. This means that the claim that the conversation between the two people on WhatsApp is entirely encrypted has been proven wrong. What does WhatsApp have to say? WhatsApp says that the end-to-end encryption feature is always available on WhatsApp, whether you send a message to someone or read someone. Many messaging apps encrypt messages between you and them, but WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption FEA. Google Meet now has to pay for a longer meeting. New Delhi date. September 2020, Monday. Technology giant Google has made a big announcement about its video chat platform Google Meet. The company says that after September 30, 2020, the free version of Google Meet will only be available for 60 minutes. You will have to pay for this service for more than 60 minutes. Free unlimited video calling is currently available on Google Meet. A Google spokesperson said in an email to The Verge, "We have no recent information regarding any changes to the expiration of the promo and advanced features. If anything happens, we will provide the necessary information." It is worth mentioning that currently anyone with a Google account can make free video calls with up to 100 people through Google Meet, for which there is no time limit. Google announced it in April and said the feature would last until September 30. According to The Verge, the September 30 deadline will also apply to access to advanced features for G Suite and G Suite for A. The robot performed cancer surgery, recovering the patient in less time. Ahmedabad. The 20th of September 2020, Sunday. One robot performed a successful surgery on a cancer patient with 3 teams of doctors. This is the first time robot has treated a cancer patient. According to the report, the patient has recovered in a short time due to this unique experiment. A doctor at Norfolk and Norwich University Hospital, Britain's National Health Service, decided that 3 stages of surgery would be performed simultaneously. For which 3 teams of doctors and a robot started the process of surgery at the same time. Doctors used the robot in the successful surgery of a 53-year-old patient with advanced rectal cancer, whose name is Da Vinci C. The robot was given surgical instruments in 4 arms and was controlled by a doctor through a joystick and a 3D screen. The robot is worth ₹9.5 crore. The surgery was performed in July, but the details attached to it have now been released. A total of 14 doctors participated in the surgery. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science and technology updates. Thank you.